Is Ramadan the best time to renew faith and commitment to Allah? The best time is any time, like um, we don't have any guarantee. We don't have any guarantee of how long we're going to live. um, as you know, and like a few years ago, I was almost, you know, um, I was in the ICU with, COVID and whatever, and I didn't know if I was going to come back. I had a classmate in high school. Um, in fact, two. Right, one was a Muslim. Um, Allah have mercy on him. Unfortunately, he ended up in the wrong crowd and doing the wrong kind of things. But he passed away 3 or 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. And here I am sat here with the same age. And then there was another non-Muslim classmate of mine, and you know, I used to sit next to him. His surname was also began with R, and yeah, he died last year. And so the best time is now. But is Ramadan a great time? Absolutely. The blessing of Ramadan is that there's a whole momentum of the entire ummah. Everyone is fasting. Everyone is trying. Okay, you get people, who don't care about Ramadan, but the community as a whole, wherever you are in the Muslim world or in non-Muslim lands, wherever you are, you'll find that community spirit if you're around Muslims, and that helps a lot. But one thing to do is to ensure that you spend some time alone, where you're connecting to Allah individually. You're making your individual tawbah, you're making your individual, you know, requests to Allah. You're asking Him to guide you, to give you tawfiq, and to give you sincerity. Don't just do it in a crowd all the time. It's great to do it in a crowd with a group, so you're swept along with the momentum, but cultivate your own personal relationship with Allah. And that's one of the greatest gifts you can have in Ramadan.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول